Hello everybody and welcome to POV driving. Today we're at Lucas Farm and we're gonna drive a tractor. How to drive a tractor? Is it just to hop in, right?
Just hop in.
Oh yeah, is this the gas pedal to the right and the brake pedal to the left, or what's happening
No
here?
gas pedal on this. You have a brake pedal on the right side and on your left side is your clutch.
Okay.
So this is an older model tractor, it's from 1954. So you'll have 4 gears and you can spot the gears. If you look at the gear knob, you have 4 gears and you have a rear gear.
3, 4,
and then you have an
SR.
S. You see the S
Sport.
on the top right? Oh, no sport.
No sport mode.
What the hell are you doing? You're driving a tractor today?
Sports mode.
So
Where's the sports button?
Here's the sport.
ESP? Can you do donuts?
Oh, this thing can do donuts.
It's just 28 horsepower, right?
28 horsepower.
4 cylinders?
4 cylinder.
4 cylinder. No turbo.
Petrol.
Petrol.
Yeah, but we're gonna build a turbo on this, right?
That would be cool. two turbos here.
No
Okay,
This
how do I
thing
start
can
it?
backfire, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
No catalytic converter.
Oh.
So this is a straight piped, almost straight piped engine.
Pop a wheelie.
Okay, how do I start this?
So-
I pull the clutch.
First of all, you press the clutch, but you don't have to do that when there's no gear inside. So you just wobble the gear stick like everybody does and see if there's no gear inside. Yeah, so no gear. And this engine is warm right now, so you just gotta start it. So by that you don't do anything, but just turn the key. You have a gear inside, so you just take the gear out.
Okay, I need to have the gear out.
There you go, that's no gear. No.
Oh yeah! There's exhaust coming out of this hole right in my face, but let's do this anyway.
You know where the gas is? Have you gas?
Yeah, it's this
One. Pull the lever. Pull it.
Yeah,
Too
there's...
much, otherwise the whole thing vibrates and falls apart.
Okay, how much?
Oh, like that. Okay, now push the lever a little bit.
The lever?
A little bit less gas, Yeah. Now push the clutch. Now first gear. And slowly, let it come slowly. A bit faster. Yeah.
Woo!
I can let go of the clutch completely. Let go, and I can take a turn here. Complete. Don't go down the hill. It's not
Yeah.
go back up again.
Woo! This is POV tractor. This is Nicholas. He doesn't know what's happening. Get on board, man. Woo! Yeah, buddy.
If we let go of the gas, we press the clutch, and you take third gear. Brake, push the brake pedal more. Yeah, now third gear.
Yeah, it's in the third gear.
Yeah, and now we'll slowly let it come. Oh, more. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, a little bit more gas. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah, boy.
Full gas, baby!
Yeah, this is some serious off-roading in a Ferguson 28 horsepower tractor. Let's go, full gas. Woo! I got the horses in the back. Woo!
Try not to go in this spot here. A bit less gas.
Woo! Yeah. This thing can go anywhere, right?
Almost. Watch for cars? No cars?
No, we just drive. We got the Stang.
drive a tractor.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Are you stuck?
Yeah, I'm stuck. Yeah, usually we drive cars like the Mustang, but today it was a tractor at Lucas Farm. Check out his channel. He's doing farm life videos, explaining how to build tractors and have sheep, you know?
What do you think about the tractor, Victor?
Yeah, it was a really fun experience. I felt like I'm on top of the world in this really elevated, nice tractor. I could go on the backside on farmland. It was cool, man. I felt like nothing could stop me. So,
Drag race against the Mustang.
yeah, it was cool, but I don't think it has a chance against the Stang. But thanks. Welcome to POV Driving. Check out our videos below and see you in the next video. Bye bye. GoPro, stop recording. Woo!